Hello everybody and welcome back to the Financial Wolf channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you guys how much I make in just one day of selling candy at my high school. I actually made a video like this just a couple of weeks back where I showed you guys how much money I made in an entire week of selling candy at school. And I actually learned a lot from that experience. I sold a lot of different candies. I found out what candies sell the best at my school, what candies don't sell as well. So in this video, I feel like I'm going to be making a lot more profit selling candy at school. With that all being said, guys, we're going to go head to the store right now to get some candy to resell at school for a profit. And while at the store, I'm going to be showing you guys some of the most profitable candies you should sell at your high school. Alright everyone, so we have arrived here at Walmart where I'm going to be getting the candy to resell at school. I'm going to be heading inside in 3, 2, 1. As I walked into Walmart, I knew exactly what candy I needed to get. I got some cosmic brownies, I got a chocolate variety pack which contains Reese's, Hershey's, and Kit Kats. I also got some Airheads and I got 5 packs of Airhead Extremes. The only thing that Walmart did not have, which I really wanted to get, was a Skittles and Starburst variety pack. I feel like every single time I go into Walmart to buy candy to resell at school, they are always missing something. And that is why I'm probably going to be switching to Sam's Club here in the near future. Anyways, after getting most of the candy I needed from Walmart, I went to checkout and I checked out every single one of the items I got, and the total was $21.72. Okay everyone, so we just got done with shopping at Walmart and getting all of the candy that we're going to be reselling tomorrow at school. I'm pretty happy with everything we got except for the fact that they ran out of Skittles and Starburst variety packs. But with that all being said, I'll see you guys tomorrow when I'm selling candy at school. Wish me luck. The next day. Alright everyone, so it is now the morning. I'm about to go head to school and sell some candy. You already know I have a bunch of candy in this bag to sell. I'm going to be filming as much as possible when I'm at school. Hopefully we're pretty successful today and we make some money. Alright everyone, I'm walking into school with my candy. I'm already late, so I better hurry up and start making some money. Selling candy at school today was actually extremely successful. I made a total of $23 in revenue despite the day starting out pretty slow. I didn't make any sales in my first or second classes, and I was thinking that I wasn't going to make a whole lot of money selling candy at school. But by the time my third class rolled around, the money started coming in. I made a total of $6 in revenue in just one class by selling Airheads to the people who were in the class. Something I have found out about selling candy at school is that once one person buys candy from you, it's almost like a domino effect where more and more kids are willing to buy candy from you. Once I sold that one Airhead to one student in my class, suddenly 2 other students wanted to buy candy from me. Alright guys, so a little bit of an update. It is currently 11:22. I'm at $6 in revenue for the day. Let's keep selling candy and hopefully we make some good money. When I went to lunch today, the sales started coming in like crazy. From selling candy at school, I have realized that lunch is prime time. If you're not taking advantage and selling candy during your lunch period, you're missing out on the greatest opportunity during the school day to make money. During my lunch period, I made about $14 in revenue after going around the lunchroom multiple times asking every single student if they were interested in buying candy from me. It was pretty easy for me not to get caught selling candy during lunch today as the administrators were not in the lunchroom. When this happens, you need to take full advantage of the opportunity because if the administrators are not watching you, you can sell your candy without having any worry about getting caught. I am so happy with how today went selling candy at school that I'm going to be selling again tomorrow. So that is right, guys. You're going to see how much money I make in one day selling candy at school twice twice because I filmed how much I made today, and I'm also going to be filming tomorrow, and that's all going to be in this video. So drop a like if you are excited for that. Anyways, I'm going to be heading to the store right now to restock on some of the candy I sold out of, and I'm also going to be getting some drinks to sell at school tomorrow. So that is right, guys, we are going to be stepping it up a notch. Tomorrow's going to be a great day of selling candy at school. Now let's head to the store right now. All right, everyone, so we are now inside Walmart, and the first three things we have to get are Cosmic Brownies, Airheads, and Airhead Extremes. They are all in this aisle right here where you see all the candy. So I'm gonna grab those three things, and then we're gonna go ahead and get the soda. Alright, everyone, so now that we got the Airheads, the Cosmic Brownies, and the Airhead Extremes, it's time to go head over to the soda section where we're gonna get some Coke to resell at school tomorrow. Okay, guys, so unfortunately I was not able to find Coke inside Walmart, but I was able to find something very similar, which is Pepsi. So I'm gonna be getting a case of Pepsi, and there's 24 cans in one case, and the cost is $6.98. I'm going to be reselling each can for $1, so that's going to be a pretty big profit if I'm able to sell every single can of Pepsi. I'm also going to be getting Mountain Dew. There are 24 cans in one case. This is also selling for $6.98. Now that I have everything you see right here, we are pretty much set to go to sell candy at school tomorrow. And just like that, guys, we are all checked out and out of here. We have the soda, we've got the Airheads Extremes, and the Airheads all ready to go. And we're prepared to sell candy at school tomorrow. I'm gonna be putting all of the sodas in a cooler to keep them cold. I'm gonna be selling them for $1 each, and I feel like that's gonna strongly increase our profit. So I'll see you guys tomorrow when I'm selling candy at school. Day 2. All right, everyone, so it is now the second day of selling candy at school. Let's shoot for about $27 in revenue selling candy today, because that will make it $50 in revenue over 2 days of selling candy at school, which is actually pretty good. Okay, guys, so I'll update you as soon as I'm at school and I start selling candy. Day 2 of selling candy at school actually went a lot better than day number 1. I made a total of $33 in revenue throughout day number 2, which is higher than my initial goal of $27. Day 2 started out with a bang in my first, second, third, and even fourth classes, as a lot of people who didn't buy from me yesterday suddenly wanted to buy candy or soda from me. Some of my best sellers throughout day number 2 were again the Airhead Extremes, which I was selling for $2, and also the drinks. By noon on day 2, I had already earned about $11 in revenue. All right, everyone, so a little bit of a midday update. It is currently 12:01 p.m. I'm about to head to lunch to go sell candy, and you guys know that is prime time. We're currently at $11 in revenue. Some of the best sellers today have been the drinks, as I expected, and also the Airhead Extremes. We're gonna keep going throughout the day. Hopefully we hit our goal of $25 in revenue, so wish me luck. And I did all of this before lunchtime even came around. By the end of the lunch period, I was at about $30 in revenue, which is crazy. Do you guys want any candy or soda?
Hey, what you got?
Oh, we've got Pepsi.
Can I get a Hershey's?
Hershey's? All right. There you go.
I'll have a Mountain Dew.
A Mountain Dew? There you go. I'll give you change real quick.
All right.
1, 2, 3, $4. $4 is your change. Enjoy. I was sold out of a ton of candy and all of my drinks. Unfortunately, I was only able to bring about 10 drinks to school on day 2, as I didn't have a ton of space in my bag. I probably would have been even more successful during day 2 if the administrators were not watching me during lunchtime. In the background of some of my candy selling video clips, you can see the administrators almost looking right at me. It was pretty much a miracle that I didn't get caught. You guys need any candy today?
Hey,
What? Or which candy? We've got Airheads, Airhead Extremes. Airheads are 25 cents each.
Airheads Extremes, they're like huge. I'll show you. Do you want these? Are the big things for $2. Do you want this or no? I've got Cosmic Brownies, regular Airheads. 50 cents each. Four? There you go. Thank you.
I am definitely going to be making more videos like this about selling candy at school. If you guys are excited for that, please be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the Financial Wolf channel. Anyways, everybody, thank you so much if you made it to the end of this video, and peace out.